So, hello everyone, my name is Adarsh Kumar, and today we are going to do our 11th lecture of this Python tutorial series for my community development program. Uh, so, in today we are going to learn about some file handling and the questions of file handling. Okay, in the previous videos, we have done the question about oops. Like in the last two videos, we have seen questions of oops like polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, and encapsulation questions. Many questions we have learned some MCQ also about that. We have seen so many MCQ types, coding types in this thing that I give you with the help of the chat GPT prompt. So in today we are going to do file handling questions. Okay, so file handling questions now. File handling, let's go to chat GPT. It will give us okay. So I'm going to give the prompt. Okay, so we will see some basics of file handling. Okay, means what is are they, how to write the code of it. So if Python file handling nodes. So what is file handling? File handling allows a program to create, read, write, append, and delete files stored on the computer. Example like store student records, save login details, read configuration files. And first we will see some type of files. So first one is text file .txt. This txt file is human readable store text. Example is like hello python lpo. So first one is .txt file, second is binary files. It is written as .dat.bin, store data in binary format. Example images, videos, PDFs. And this open function. So this is open function used to open the file. So this is the syntax. File is equal to open. First is the file name and the mode, like read, write, append. So this is example like I want to open a data.txt file and I want to open it in the read format. Here are some file modes. So R means read only, W means write, creates new files or overwrite existings. A is append, X is create new file only, R plus read plus write, W plus write plus read, A plus append plus read, RB read binary, WB write binary. Okay, so these are the some things. Close a file, that all closes file is simple, like f dot closes, like closing the file. Okay, so this f dot close. Reading a file, reading a file, read, this is known as reading the file. So this read entire files, it reads the entire file first we open is in read mode and as print.print, then it's open, we will read it, and f.close, we close the file. Read line is like read only one line, it reads only one line. Okay, so read line is that it reads only one line. Read lines, return list of lines, it returns the list of the lines, it will read many lines. Okay, writing into file, so f dot open data txt w, f dot write welcome, f dot close, so it is writing into files. Let's write the file. Append mode, append means adding something, so you can add also in it something. So appending, like it's append mode. Append is a mode, like we have to open the file is in append mode. F dot write and lpu, f dot close. So these are the some things. Write multiple lines. Okay, multiple lines means ocha. So for the multiple lines thing, you will use slash n, it will give a value into another line. Okay, so this is slash in. With statement, no need to call close. Okay, in with statement this thing we use always, because in this with statement we don't have to close the file, it automatically closes the file. So this is its syntax is with open data as f, and you perform the functions what you want to perform on it. Tell returns current cursor position. Tell function is it returns the current cursor position. Okay, seek moves the cursor. Tells the tell returns the current cursor position, and seek moves the cursor. So here we say that tell returns the position, and it seek it moves the cursor to that position. So these are the two things in it. Okay, I understand these things. And this another is file exist, import os, print os.path exist data.txt returns true or false. It delete the file, remove deletes the file. Exception handling. So what is an exceptional handling? So exceptional handling is like there are two things. Okay, in exceptional handling, first is try. In the try block we have to in the try block in the try block we will execute our code, and the except block we give the solution. If the try this is wrong, what will be printed. So in print we have to do all of this. Okay, so there are some important exam questions. So difference between read and read line. Read, so read is for the reading the file, and read line is for reading one line, and read lines is the using it gives the list of lines. Okay, difference between right and right lines. So right is used to write the line and right line. Okay, this is one thing. And what difference between W and A? So W is for the write the file and A is to append the file. Difference between tell and seek. So tell is that it tells the position of a cursor, and seek is that like it gives the way or to cursor to that position. Means you can go at a position, you can change the position of the cursor with the seek. And why use with statement? Because in with statement file is automatically closed. So these are some important things. So you have to see all of these things. So see it for 5 minutes. So you guys sees this file handling, and now we will show some questions. Okay, so first MCQ question, this f open text is, the file name is text.txt and this is open in a write mode. So f dot write hello file, so what will print? Yes, so it will print the it will create file and write hello. Yes, question answer is C. F is equal to open text dot a append write f dot write python. Mode A means append. Yes. This file closes automatically because in this with statement is used. We know that in with statement the file closes automatically. Yes, the code will be written in the one line because we didn't use there the slash n thing. If you use the slash n, they print in the line wise. Okay. MCQ 5. F is equal to open f is equal to open text.txt as we write hello every file write close python. Yes, because first one is not printed because the file is not closed. If the file will be closed, the answer will be hello python, but the first one is not closes the file. Okay. It will say to read the second line, and second line is B. So answer means it you can see this f dot read. So we have to read the first two lines. Okay, so first two lines is A B. Yes, yes. F is open MCQ 7. We are seeing that f is equal to open text.txt write and write python close. Okay, so it will print tell. So here doesn't know anything, so it will the cursor position is 0. So gracias. It given the position value 3, seek value 3. Okay. PH these are the questions. Like MCQ 11, you can see f is equal to open demo.txt write lines A B C and closes it open txt f dot read. So ABC will be print because it is in write line. So I want to know what write line does. Okay, so it converts into one thing. Okay, so it will print as A, I think answer. Okay, ABC. Okay, this is exceptional handling question. Try f.open abc.text r except file not found. Not found will print. So these are the very important questions from the file handling, like MCQs. We will do coding questions also, because coding questions there are many things, so we have to do also the coding questions, because in coding there are very big things in coding, we know that. And in coding we will do many questions like how to do a loop, how to change the numbers and under it, how to change everything and inside the this means I want to say how to change, like I want to say how to change it. Okay, how to change anything inside this file handling thing, how file handling works. In we will use loops in file handling, many things, like very hard question that I come in exam. So I will do many questions in this using many youtubers also. I will see their playlist and their PDFs, like I will use in the next video the Apna college PDF for this Python file handling. There are some important questions and Rishabh Mishra is important, we know that. So I will see some questions in it. Okay, so this is all for today. We will do many questions on file handling, like coding questions. We will do coding questions of file handling in the next video, and that will be our last. Okay, so that will be our last video. So that will be our last video, that we will do file handling important questions. So that is all for today. We have done file handling MCQ, like we have learned about write lines, read lines, everything. Try exceptional handling, file handling things, how to do works, how the thing works. Okay, so these are the things. So this is all for today. I will do file handling questions in the next video. Thank you.